Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to auto roof return. So as example you can create for the basic plan and create the perspective view, and you can move to drag of the working plan view. Now I will change this roof into gables. You can select the wall and then click the change to gable tools. Now, if you want to create for the auto roof return, you can select the wall, click open, and go to roof options. And in here, you can check for auto roof return. So we use the default options, and if you click OK, it will be create the roof return. You also can add more options. You can click open, and in here I will check for the include freeze, ridge caps, and gutter. Click OK again to set the change. Okay, that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial how to auto roof return. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.